The science is clear. Nature's everyone's business, and the next 10 years are critical.
We must reverse nature loss before we reach a tipping point from which ecosystems will not recover.
We're proud of applying our science to drive innovation that helps reverse nature loss.
How we can work together as a human community to respond fast, better.
By recovering waste as a source of energy and a source for raw materials, we are preserving Earth's resources and shaping cleaner cities.
Cost of inaction is too high when it comes to nature loss.
We believe that we nourish people by nature with very healthy dairy products. But we can only do that if we nourish the planet.
We measure the impact on biodiversity at portfolio level and strive for a net positive gain in 2030.
We need governments and policymakers to also be transformative and create new laws and frameworks, and of course in collaboration then with businesses that needs to step up with their actions and their commitments.
Only by working together with governments, communities and societies will we be able to create a healthy planet for everyone.
We need to develop and implement frameworks that integrate the value of nature in decision-making and global market mechanisms.
Policies that make the best available technologies mainstream, transparently measure their impacts, and integrate sustainability into the education system.
I welcome rules regulation which encourage circular economy and climate and incentivize companies to have a positive impact on biodiversity.
We owe it to our stakeholders and to the next generation of stakeholders to protect nature.
Our collective future depends on global communities coming together to ensure a greener and more inclusive tomorrow.